Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Sosa. Now in today's video, I'm going to try to create a simple, nice looking login page using just regular HTML and CSS. No JavaScript involved, just HTML and CSS. So guys, stay tuned. It's coming up right now. Okay, welcome back guys. You can see I'm the Sublime text editor where I've created two files, login.html and login.css. So let's prep up the markup for the HTML file. Emit functionality tab. So we're going to link the CSS file. Link login.css. And next up, I'm going to create a div with a class of image layer. I'm going to give that class of image layer. Also, I want to create another div tab with the class of login container. Nice. Then want a h1 tag. H1 tag saying sign in. Also, I'm going to create a form. The form tag. What am I typing? Form tag. That was a mistake. Sorry for that, guys. So form tag. Form tag. And inside the form tag, I want to create 3 input tags. 3. No, don't make that 2. 3 input tags. 2. Use an asterisk 2. Then heat tag of 2. So text. So the password. All this, I want to give them placeholder name and this to a placeholder of password. Now let me just separate this. So I have that. Just put closing / okay. Let's save this and see how it looks in the page. Okay, you can see we have the sign name password. Now we need to create a button. Remember, you can see in the page you have the sign name password. To create this button, the markup for the button. So now we're just gonna go underneath here. I think underneath. Okay, the button's inside. It's the button. Actually, let me just use a little bit for emit functionality here. Button A. Okay. Now just gonna put the pound the hash symbol because I don't want it going anywhere. Then use the sign in. Save. See, we have the button here. Chat signing. Okay, let's head over to the CSS file. Let's start this page. First of all, I'm gonna start the body. Background. I actually have an image. So use the Hulk PNG, and I want this to be no repeats. So I don't want to repeat in the page. So save this so you guys can just see how the image looks. You can see we have a tree forest. Now let's fix this image. So go down, background size, give it cover, position, relative height 100 VH, so 100 viewport height, margin 0, padding and 0. Save. Okay, you can see we have the Credible Hawk jumping from a tree or leaping from a tree with a signing form. Okay, it's looking nice. Let's move on to the next part. I think the next part, guys, should be we need to style this. You can still have this black layer, like a dark layer on top of the background image. Now I think I can do that right now. Let's go to text editor and we give that a class name of image layer. The height to be 100%, its parent width 100% to background color of black, position of absolute, top 0, left 0. Okay, save and see. Okay, our page, it's now page. Okay, it's now page is there. So now let's fix this opacity of 0.9. Okay, you can see. Actually, guys, because of this form, so the form actually it's hung up, so that's why it actually can't cover up. So we'll fix that. We'll move on to the tutorial. So next up, the login container. Give that a z-index of 2. Yeah, 2. And actually, guys, so you want to give the position because z-index doesn't work without assigning position to its element. So you have to give a position of absolute or relative, or whatever position you want to give it. Color white, width 500 px, height 400 px, top 27% of the print element, left 35%. So it's how it looks. You can see now the black layer fully covers the page, so we have the signing. It's on top of the rest of those other elements. So I give a z-index of 2, so it's like on top, it's laid on top of the rest elements. So now let's style the signing form. So next up we have to style the, I think it's actually okay, the h1. Let's start the h1. So it gives a text align of center, font family, poppins, light. Now if you don't have the poppins or custom fonts I'm using this tutorial, link in the description down below. Letter spacing of 5px. Save. See how it looks like. Okay. See, it looks similar, so that's nice, coming on nice. So next up we have to style the input tags. So those input boxes, give a display of block, a margin, you can center 0, top to bottom, auto left to right, width of 60%, margin bottom 20px, a height 25px, a border of 1px, solid is a hex code 3 EB477. Yeah, I think when I head back, okay, we have it, just have to increase the size. Okay, let's move on. Next up we have to, we're gonna style the button. Yeah, the button, the signing button. So give out display of block to a height 50px, a width of 64%, background color of the same background color of the border. Move each border, we have none. Outline, none. Also we want a margin. Zero auto, that's from top to bottom, left to right. A cursor, pointer, padding 0, and border radius 2px. let's see how it looks. Okay, we have the button coming on nice, but now we need to fix this input tag. I said input tag. The input boxes, so we fix it. It's a bit small and have this white background. So let's see how we can do that. Okay guys, now let's fix that input. So now I think I'll give the background color of transparent. So I'm going to be transparent, an outline of none, a color of white, padding of 10 pixels, nice, L round, both left, right, top and bottom, text align of center, font size of 18 px, border radius 2 px. See how it looks. Okay, we have, yeah, making progress. So we need to fix in this placeholders. Placeholder actually small. So let's head over here. Okay, actually I gave it 10 px. It's supposed to be 18 pixels. I think that's why it's small. Okay, it's big, just like what we have here. Now as you can see, the button, it's actually blue and has this text underlined, so we need to fix that. Let's start the button. Start the button next, so head over down. Button, B tag, we got height 100%. So whenever the person clicks or hovers over the button, we want the link to take the full width to A tag itself. Display of block, text decoration, I think so, none. So I'll get rid of that underline under the text, color of white, font family of popping, padding 10 pixels top to bottom and 0 for left to right, a width of 100%. So it's going to take width of its parent element, font size 10 px. No, I think that's too small, just like before, so make it 18 px. Then font weight, let's actually see what it looks like first. Okay, you can see something, just need to add a bit boldness and a bit of spacing in the letters. What I press. Okay, I think I must have created 2 windows for this. Okay, let me fix that right now, guys. I'm coming. Okay, now this is our design. So let's head back to the text editor and fix that. Now I think we're going to fix that. We're going to add a font weight of bold. Save it. Okay, I have a bold. The next one, have a letter spacing. Letter spacing of 2 px. Actually sum it up. Yeah. You can see we have a very lookalike of the same page. So this is actually the page we created. You can see sign in, name, password, and sign in. So let's fill it in. Let's see what it looks like. So you can put ISO. So as you can notice, guys, most regular forms you can see on most websites actually have the text aligned to the left, but I just want to put the center, just like change the style, so I can put a password of whatever you like to put as your password. I'm going to use a password of 1345. So hit sign in. Basically does nothing, because remember I set the link tab to just head over to the pound symbol. You can see the hashtag, so it's not actually going anywhere. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you actually learned something from this tutorial. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a fellow subscriber, at least thank you guys for coming to watch my videos, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. So I'm out.